What up, YouTube? One of the most important steps, we're going to shape the back end. What I've done is taken this floral foam and I've pushed like chopsticks, pretty much chopsticks through it to hold it all together. Right, so we have one piece. Look, you can see chopsticks hanging out the bottom. Right.
Cut a piece of cardboard here where it's adjustable for the height of the seat.
So what we need to do is just get to shaving it. Alright, let's get to shaving it. Stand back, take a look at it, figure out what you gotta shave next. Alright, I'll come back in a little bit. Okay, we're almost getting there. The more time you take on this step right here, it's gonna save us time during the fiberglass phase. So right now I'm trying to just look at it from every angle and make sure it's gonna be pretty much even from all the angles, so we don't have to fiberglass it for an hour, you know. But I think we're almost there. Next step, we'll take this off, we'll wrap this in saran wrap and get ready to fiberglass it. Alright, let's get ready for fiberglass. Take the saran wrap. Pull this off. Okay. We'll try to wrap it as good as we can, as tight as we can. The tighter it is up here, the better the fiberglass is going to come out. Once you got everything lined up like this, okay, now that we got the body protected, let's wrap our mold. Let's start mixing up the fiberglass. Coconut oil, this is what I used last time. just so the fiberglass comes off.
Okay, here's how you mix it up. You take an ounce. Like an ounce of resin. And 10 drops of hardener. Put the 10 drops in there. And then just stir it up. Stir it up. Take a couple pieces.
Alright, we're finishing up these last little strands. After we do this, we'll let it dry. We'll let it dry, come back in a little bit, see what we got. Okay, so it's drying. We're gonna let it dry for 24 hours. And we'll come back and cut it and shape it. Next step, cutting and shaping it, and then Bondo.